Hello and welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to be designing a website. We are going to be using Canva website function. So I believe this is going to be a long video because we are just going to be copying my existing website which I designed with WordPress. I'm going to be explaining something like, so all you just have to need is to understand how to use Canva. Then based on how you know how to design a website, how you know how to use the Canva is going to help you a lot in designing anything you literally want, just anything. So with that in mind, let's just switch to the website, which is deepreview.net. deepreview.net is the website name. So now this is what we are going to design. Let me try to zoom out. Okay, now this is the website look. This is how everything looks like on the website. As you can see, this is literally what we are going to be designing. So anything is possible, guys. So just put that in mind, okay? So now let's start. For us to start, we just have to make a quick search, website. So now we can, if you click on this website, this is just going to give us the PC view, website view, and this is for the mobile view. Put that in mind. So now based on who you are trying to send the website to, if your target audience, maybe your people coming to your website are going to come through social media, that means you need the mobile first website and not the normal website, because the size of this is kind of big and it's for PC only, you understand? But this is for mobile responsive website, mobile responsive view. Put that in mind firstly. Now the second thing you have to put in mind is the brand kit. With this brand kit, I believe there is going to be a video which is going to help you to create or keep everything you are going to be in need of in hand. You know, maybe your font, like this website that I want to design now, there is this font here, this font here. So in order to not to be running up and down to be looking for the font, then we are just going to use this my plugin. I'm going to create a video for you on that, the plugin I'm using, or extension I mean, now to, so that you too can have those extensions to get any font you want on any website. Now this one is the Montserrat. So now we need the Montserrat. Now we also need the Noto Sans. So we can add that to the to anything we want to do. So now we need Montserrat and the Montserrat Classic. Let's use the Classic for the heading, and also for the, let me say, the body. Should we use it for the, okay, let's use it for the body, the Noto Sans. Okay, the Noto Sans. So now we are trying to prepare ourselves for everything we are going to be doing here. We can also use this for the subheading though. Let's use the Noto Sans for the subheading. So it's going to be easy for us to jump around. So now what else do we need on this website again? Okay, the color. Now exit with escape button, and now the color code here. So what you just have to do is to pick a color on the web page, then you highlight the area you just click on the area you want to copy the color. Even if it's a picture, you can actually select the color and it's still going to show up here. So now you just have to copy the code of the color, then you can come to your brand kit here, brand color, then you can paste the brand color here. Now you can add more color just to make our work easier and fast. That's why I'm doing this. You can do this too. Then normally if you are following the course, we don't have I didn't talk about we doing this in every time. So now the third color is going to be white. We don't need that since it's general color. So now this is the three color we are going to work with, and this is the font that we are going to be using. Then let's start then. So this is good. Then let's start. Now website, then let's start with the normal website design. So the normal website design is what we are going to use first. After the normal website design, then we are going to design I'm going to create another video for the mobile responsive one, or we will try to make this work. After that, I'm going to explain in another video. I'm going to explain to you how you can literally refer people to the direct link to the website, or how you can copy the design out. Don't worry, it's not going to be that hard. So now let's start. If you notice, the background color is this. So now let's start with that. We change the background color immediately. So now color, how can you see the color on your own design? So now the color, we did not rename it here when we are doing it. So if we rename it, it's going to show up there. So I did not have time for that. So just we put in the color. Now the color is there. That's the most important thing. Now up here, we can't do this. It's going to be shown, so we just have to skip this top part. We can actually come up with something that can replace that though, but okay, now the logo. So we have to upload the logo, and upload from device. Now the logo is ready. Now with just a single tab, then I have to resize it, make it small like this, then make sure it fits inside this area, which is his own area here. Let me close this tab. Okay, this area, it fits in. Then the next thing here is me adding the minus button, which we are going to use an element and a dash, a line, something like this line we do. Okay, then we should try to put it somewhere here. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay that way. Now we need to upload another thing, which is the background stuff here. I actually downloaded it somewhere online, and it's okay for anybody to download. If you see something that is going to be okay, or you can actually create your own templates or something to make sure it fits in for your own brand. So but that is my own. This is my normal website I designed with Astra theme, and it's okay, and it's kind of responsive and fast for me. So now let's proceed. I select the picture here, and I need to make the picture a bit bigger. Okay, so I think this fits in well. Okay, now this is okay, a slight bigger. So okay, let's see. Okay, we have to shift it a bit to the front. Okay, this is cool. Now let's add a text to it, which is going to be a heading first. Then copy this word and input it here. Then the font is a Montserrat. Then we have to make it big more because it's kind of too small. And let's make it 80, then make it bold, and now we can increase or reduce the size. I think okay, it's okay this way, it's okay. Then we should put it somewhere here. Let's see. Okay, I think this needs to go down a bit. Okay, then these have to come up a bit just to follow my design. Just don't copy exactly what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make this to show you how you can actually design a website with Canva. So it's not compulsory you follow the exact thing that I'm designing step by step. Just be creative with your own design. This is my own existing website, and you can see our channel, it's on YouTube too. So it's something you can actually copy and make good use of. So now, okay, so what next now in my list is this dashboard. Okay, we can't input this to it, so I'll just try to come up with something creative here to show you guys how this is going to work. And it's not going to look exactly like that though. Let's look for a shape that can do something like that. Okay, with a round edge. Let me see, maybe this can work. Okay, these are the limits of where it can reach, it can get to. Okay, we can't use this. Let's try this. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is perfectly fine. Okay, this is cool. Okay, now we can stretch a bit. Let me see, something like this. Okay, we can actually change the inner color to white, since it's white we are working with, and the other inner color to maybe, okay, let's use this for that. Oh, that's bad. These two, let me see. Okay, so what do you think, guys? Does it look like exactly what we need? I think so. Let's see. Then we have to add the search button here. That's going to be hard for us though. Let's duplicate this, Control D. Then we have to rescale it. Let me see. Oh dear. So we have to make this so long to the extent of it is going to reach here. Then this has to come to this side, and the search starts from here. Okay, now we need to move it a bit. Okay, so guys, I've been playing with these, and I think it's looking nice to me. This still can't work. I need something to cover up this little area. Let me try this. I'm just trying to cover up this area with the white color. I need to set something here. Okay, then we can set this color to red. Okay, and I think we are getting there though. We just need to shift this a bit backward, and let's see. What do you think, guys? Oh dear, we still need to increase this a bit. Oh dear. Okay. It's not really looking exactly the way we need it to, but we just have to manage it this way so that you just keep it. And okay, now we need to add an element to it, and the element is going to look like a sash, or let me say Google or glass. Which one should I search for? Quick search for glass, in order to do something like this there. So we have to make a, oh, okay, this is exactly what we need, and I think is okay, it's facing the right way. What do you think, guys? Is this looking okay? I'm not sure. I'm just playing with things here. Now let's change the color to white. Then it's supposed to look like it's small. So let's continue. So where did we stop? This area. Okay, now we can actually add something like a text to it. Let's use a subheading. Okay, let's use normal text. No, that's too small. Let's use our subheading, guys. So subheading, and we should reduce the font to 14. We should drag it here. Okay, I think this is perfectly made. Oh dear. So now we can zoom this, make this bold, and change the color to this, and let me see. Not that bad, not totally bad. Okay, I believe you understand what I'm trying to do here and design. So it's easy this way. With this mindset, you can actually draw the plan of how you want your website to look before you start designing. So, okay, you want this to be here, you want this to be here. This is the font you want to be using. This is what you just want to be doing. If you follow that track, exactly what you want to design is just going to come up. Exactly what you want to design. So now the next thing is this area. Okay, now we need a YouTube play button, a thumbs up, and I think George or something. Okay, so now we need to go to elements and search for YouTube 1. So we need a YouTube play button, something like that. Okay, I think this should do. Okay, then we have to scale it down as we normally do and set it to where we actually need it. Something like this. Okay, then we change the color to white. Okay, now we have that ready. Very neat and fine. Does it fall in line? Oh dear. Okay, we have to shift this. Okay, nice. Then we need a thumbs up button. Then we can actually type that too. Thumbs up button. Then I think this is it. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, this one. Then we can actually rescale that one too. If you are using a free version to design on Canva, you might be having some error because this thing, like the YouTube play button that I'm using specifically is a pro version own. So okay, so you can use the free version one like this to make sure your website is okay. And maybe when you want to render the website, you need to change it, or you need to pay the little money. So now let's use the scale too. I think this is the scale on the website. Let me check. Okay, that is not it, but we can make it it. So what we can just do is, because I noticed the down part is in this side, so we can just flip. I'm just trying to, something like that. I'm just trying to get the exact thing that we designed on the website. If not exact, then maybe something close, you understand? Then I think it's here. We have to make it in line with these guys too. Okay, now we can change the color to white, and let's see how it's looking. Are they looking great? I don't know. You guys have to tell me if they are looking great. Let's make sure they are all in center with each other. I think it's okay this way. Now let's add the little text that is here. Okay, now the little text is, I'm not going to write everything, so I'm just going to work with one. Then you proceed from there. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say precisely though. Yeah, I think this is okay. Then Ctrl D, then move them to each location. 1, 2, oh dear. I'm just trying to set things to make things look more okay and advanced. Designing something that users are going to love, and making it look way more responsive. Now they are in line with each other. So what do you think, guys? Did I do exactly what is here? I've designed this website, it's been a while, and I'm recording this course today, so I just have to make sure the design look okay, like look in the same line with that. So now let's see what else do we have here. Okay, we have a recent post, and these are something that are easy, but let me try to add more pages, other pages. Okay, now we have a blank canvas. So now the next thing on this page is not the color we are using, so it's white background, and I think this is not black. This is not black. It's a hash 2222 code something. So now we work with that first, and it's a Montserrat too, a Montserrat or something. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong though. So now I think it's in cap lock. Okay, recent post, and then we have to make that bold and make it a bit more bogus. Oh, that's too much. That's too much though. 55 or 40. Okay, I think this is okay. Center. Okay, this is okay. This is cool. So this is okay like this, guys. And now we need to add, oh, this is going to be serious. Okay, now things are getting serious, guys. What do you think? Are you enjoying the video so far? Okay, so we need to add elements here to make sure we need to add this. So to do this, we need to add elements. Let's see, which element do we need? Let's look for a frame. A frame will do. Let's look for a frame that can do exactly what we need here, and that is going to work for us this time. Let's try this. This is not the appropriate one though, because it's too long, and we just have to resize it and to make it fit in, because we still have some words and different things to add in. Actually, our normal page is longer than this, so we just have to make sure the little we can do, we just do it perfectly. Okay, wait, we'll not add this, so let me quickly add that by copying this one, this top one, with Control D, then I'm going to drag it into this page and center it. Okay, this way. I think this is way too much. Yeah, this is okay. Then you have to come down a bit. Yeah. Now let's put the picture again to this one, which is this. It's going to be too small for us though. We can actually crop and make sure it shows the words a bit. Okay, then done. Let's see. Oh dear, this one is in full. So this is how our one is going to look at, guys. So let's continue working that way. Then now we have to add the title of the post. Okay, I think there is a shadow here. You can actually work with that too. Should we do that too, guys? You can do anything with Canva if you know how to operate Canva. So let me do the title. I think I'm here for the title. Copy. Oh dear, copy. I've clicked it mistakenly, so let's proceed. Then the title, subheadings, and no. Okay, heading. Okay, yeah. Oh dear. Okay, cool. This is very okay. Now all we have to do is to reduce the size to 2020. Let me see how it's looking like on the website. Okay, this is it. Okay, good. Udemy 2020 is okay. The is 2 must be there. Okay, then we have to make sure it's in bold, and it's in yeah, good. So we can actually reduce the size to something 28. Oh, it's still much. 24, manageable. 21. Oh dear, that's much. Okay, good. This is okay. Now let's change the color to our color. Okay, now we are getting there. We are getting there, guys. What do you think? It's hard though. We're supposed to have something like a shadow or something, but let me try to add that though. Let me try to add that using, let's use something like shape. Shape should do. Let's work with shape. So the shape is going to fill in complete place that the whole post is going to land. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, good. Then we should make it black. Yeah. Is black going to be okay, guys? Okay. Now we should make a duplicate. Then we should just rescale that a bit, then fit it inside. Then we should make, okay, before we edit that, let's just select the black one. Then lower the opacity. If you lower the opacity that way, then we should send it back. Okay, then now we can select the front one. We should make its color white. Then we should also send it back. Okay, now let's see how it look like, guys. Oh dear, it's not really working in our in our side though. I want something more fade. That is going to look like a layer. Like it's going to show that something is there, you know, something like this that is popping up. But let's leave it that way, guys. So let's just skip it and move on that way. It's still manageable though. Or what do you think? Okay, the picture fits in. Oh dear. This, if we scale it out, is going to be way too much for us. Unless we should just delete this and also delete this and use the picture directly. Unless we just want to use the picture directly, then now we can scale the picture to exact size of the stuff. You understand what I'm trying to do here? So we can actually compress the picture. Oh dear. Try to do it small and let's see, it remains small. I'm just trying to make things work here for both of us, so you can understand how to use Canva very well. Okay, we're almost there, guys. So let's see. What do you think, guys? I think this look way better than the first one, and we can move this up a bit. Now this is where things get interesting. Now this area, we have to copy the link, because at least they are going to click our link, you know. Copy the link and add the link there, then apply. This one to select all this area and add the link there, you know. It's okay, but now as you can see, it has a underline. You have to deselect the underline, so the underline will not work that way, and it has link inside it. You can actually add your link here too for your logo, so anybody that click the link is going to take them back home. Something simple like that. And what else? Now we need to do this text area. Let me quickly copy the little word area here and put it there. Okay, Okay, it's also in an align left. Okay, we should make it bold. Control A, bold. What do you think, guys? Are we making sense? Okay, good. I think we are in good shape now. We're almost there, guys. Now we have to put the read more button. So let me quickly copy that too. Then we should add that one too, using, I think it's in subheading. So we make it bold. We also make it our color. Then we move it in there. Then we had to have a link. We had to add a link to it, which is our normal link. Let's add the link. Paste, apply. Okay. Now we have our post ready. Actually, other things on this website are not something that is hard to do. You can just come up with a black background. You know, it's easy. The other things here are easy to do. So I just want to show you everything though. So a background color, it's black. No, it's not really black. Let's work with the exact color by using the color picker. I think we have it on the color picker already, so we should just have it there. And two. Okay, that's the color of the background, and this is the text here. Okay, we have the first word that you can also put on your website. It's important though. The mail us has a link, mail to function link. Okay, bold. Are we using that? Okay, yeah, we are using it. I'm trying to cross check if we are using our font. What's the space? Okay, this is okay. Then we can actually duplicate this. Control D. Then put the new word. And how many layer? 2. Okay, this is not that bad. It's not compulsory. We use the exact 2. I'm just trying to fit the word in. Then okay, this looks okay. Now we need another layer for the copyright. Oh, we bought this. I see. Okay, good. We are doing well, guys. We are doing very well. We are doing very well, guys. Then Control D this. Then select all. I'm trying to look for the center. Okay, this is the center. We're good. Then we're supposed to be okay like this. We can actually add the link to this area, which is the mail to link that is here. So we can add down to it. Let me just fake it as a URL. It's supposed to be underlined. I don't know, maybe we underline this place. Okay, I think you underline it. So now let's try to see everything we've been doing since. I believe this video is long. I see it's long, so supposed to look okay. So this, now let's imagine you want to make double posts. You can just select everything like this, you understand? Then you group it, Control G. Are you getting me? Then with those with you grouping it, then you can press Control D. Then you can make multiple, like 3. I think 3 is okay. You understand? Then another copy, Control D. Then make another one here. Okay. Okay, good guys. So what do you think, guys? I think this needs to shift a bit. So does this. And this too a bit. Okay. I think they are looking okay now. Manageably okay. So now the website is complete and everything looks okay. We can actually press the publish button and see it as our website. We can also publish it as different thing. This is just the mobile view one. So let's open the website and see what we've been designing since. Let's open the website and see what we've been designing. What do you think, guys? Come on. You see this? Is anybody seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? Oh dear. Just take a look at what we've done, guys. Take a look. What's the difference? Tell me. It's hard to see though. Okay. Do you feel that? Okay, there are some things that we can actually fix though. I'm doing this live. I didn't pause the video to fix or do anything though. I'm doing this live and direct. You understand? So we can actually work with this area, the spacing here, you know. But remember, each layer you have on canvas, each page you have are kind of short, so you have to know what you are doing. You have to make sure you are designing something okay. I think this is okay. This is looking nice. You can actually add more things to it. Okay, let me show you. Let me try to move this down, like down, and group them. Then I can actually drag it to the down part which they belong to. Okay, yeah, perfect. Then we can actually add something like elements. Okay, let's work with frames. Yeah, let's work with this frame. Then maybe a phone frame. We should put it here. I think here is okay. Here is okay, guys. Or what do you think? Then we should add a picture to it. Okay. What do you think, guys? I'm just trying to come up with something that is going to make like you understanding different things. So now this deep preview have our official YouTube channel which they do upload videos to. You understand? So now let's imagine you want to embed the video. You want to embed the video to your post. You can actually do that by clicking this place and click on the embed. So this embed button is going to help you to embed multiple things. We had this. Then this is going to automatically embed. So let it fit in exactly with that. Then we can actually shift this down a bit. So you can embed all these things, all these ones. You can actually embed them. There are many things that you can still do. You can add chat to your website. You can add animation button. You know, let me try to add a button to something. Let me try to do that, you know, so that you can actually see it. Okay, let me just see something like a button. I don't know where I can put it. Okay, let me put it below here. Then the elements we need something like a shape. We need a shape for the button. Okay, let's try and work with this if possible. This is way too, we can't actually work with this. Let me see, maybe this is okay. Okay, this can go down totally. Let's delete this. Then this is going to be okay. Don't worry, guys. Okay, now we should duplicate this, then make this first one color something white, then resize a bit. So what do you think, guys? Are we getting there? Is it looking like a button to you? I don't know, but let's proceed that way. So we can just make it let's make the text something like a book now. Okay, then we should make the text color black. Is black going to be okay, or we just make it something flashy? Then since we are using this, let's make it 21 and fit it in the box. Okay, we still need to reduce it to something 18. No, still need to go down more. 14. Yeah, I think 14 is going to be okay. No, 16, 14. Yeah, 14 is okay. Now we are in. Then we can make it bold. It's not going to answer. Let's select all bold that way. I think our button is ready. So with that, you can actually group everything. Ctrl G, then, or let's group this with it. Ctrl G, then this with this. Okay, what do you think, guys? I'm just playing around the website though, so don't blame me, don't judge me yet. So, oh, we didn't group it. Okay, Ctrl G. Oh, okay, we've grouped them individually, so we can't group them together again. So now we can make use of this and add a link to it that is going to take them to one of our places on our website. So now this group now has a link to. You understand? This is amazing to me. Now let's preview it again. Let's see how it's going to look like again. Okay, let's delete this part and see how it's going to look like. Wow, still amazing though. Still looking amazing. Now this is our video. We can play it from here. This is our book now button. As you can see, our link is going to take us directly to those posts on the website. So this is just something you can do on your own. I'm just trying to show you how to design the website with this. Now in other videos, I'm going to show you how you can connect this or embed this on your own website, on your own personal website. So you should prepare for that, and let's try to see how it's going to look on mobile view. You see what I'm trying to say? It doesn't look well fit on mobile view. It looks way worse. Understand? So because of this, we are going to design. There's going to be another video for the mobile view section. So just watch out, guys. And I will want your comment. I want you guys to test everything you are learning in this video and to make sure you make a good use of them to make sure everything's work well, perfect. You understand? So if you have any question, you can actually ask me though. So stay tuned, guys.